Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will understand the difference between trim command and extend command and how to use them in AutoCAD. So here we will first see the trim command. To activate the trim command in AutoCAD, we need to type on keyboard TR, okay, TR, then enter, then again we need to press enter, okay. Then the line which we want to trim, we need to click on them. As you can see here on this line, I am clicking here and it is getting trimmed. As you can see here, now I am clicking here, okay. As you can see here, I'm also trimming this line, okay. And as you can see here, this line is not getting trimmed, as you can, as this is a single line, okay. As you can see here, this line is comprised of two lines, as you can see here. That's why it is not getting trimmed. If I draw the line here, as you can see here, this is the line I am drawing here now, okay. And again, this is the second line I am drawing. As you can see here, this is a one line, and here this is the second line. As you can see here, both the lines are different, okay. And I'm now again typing tr and double entering, and trim command has been activated. So as we have seen here, it is a single line, and here this is the point, and here this is another point, another line. That's why this trim command is not getting applicable here. But as we have seen, this complete line is a single line, and middle of this I have drawn one line, and I can apply now here in this case the trim command, as you can see here, okay. As this single line is breaked into two parts, okay. That's why I can use here this trim command. Now see, now this line becomes single here, and now as you can see here, I can't apply the trim command, okay. Now I'm using undo command, and this line has been come again. So I'm again using trim command here, as you can see. And now I'm clicking here, this line is gone, and this line is not here getting trimmed, as this is a single line and there is no breakpoint. So I'm now using line command, breaking the line here. Now I am using here again trim command. As you can see here, now I can trim this command, this line. Understood? So see here, now this is about trim command, okay. So now I am using extend command. Extend command is used to here extend the line up to the next point. So now see here, I am using I am typing here ex, then enter, then again enter, okay. Now extend command has been activated. Now this is the single line, and I am clicking on this line, as you can see here, taking the cursor here, then clicking the mouse button. As you can see here, it is extended up to this point, this line, up to the next line, okay. It is getting extended. Now I'm again clicking on this line, and this is again extending further, as you can see here, okay. This is the use of extend command. Like that, we can use the extend command to extend the existing lines up to the next line, next point, or next line, okay. So students, in this video we have understood about trim command and extend command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.